In today's video, I'll show you how to add products on Big Cartel quickly and effortlessly so you can get your store up and running fast. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Big Cartel. Head to the official website and log into your account. If you're new, the sign-up process is simple. Just follow the prompts and you'll land on your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the products section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your items. To add a new product, go to the top right corner and select the Add button. Now enter the important details: your product name, price, and a clear, appealing description. Make sure your images are high quality since visuals play a huge role in attracting buyers. You will also want to decide whether the product is visible to customers right away or kept private while you edit it. After that, add any product variations such as different sizes or colors and set your stock quantities if you track inventory. Scroll down to set your shipping details. And if your store has categories, place your product in the one that fits best so customers can find it easily. Once everything looks good, save your changes. And just like that, your new product is ready to go live on your Big Cartel store. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.